If you make it easy for your clients, you're going to have a better outcome yourself. And that's something that we try to help people with. But if the law firms could help lift that load, it would be great.
Susan, you founded a highly successful ad agency. You were the chief marketing officer at a large, successful contingency fee law firm. What are the 4 keys to effective intake?
I had the opportunity to work as chief marketing officer for Barron & Budd for over 11 years. And during that time, I learned so much about the legal space. The first key to effective intake is be a good listener. And I'll tell you there that we see a lot of law firms wanting to just talk on the phone on their intakes and tell people what to do. That's not going to be successful. First of all, you need to ask the question, how are you doing? So ask that question and then listen to the answer. The second key to effective intake is breaking down the process so that it's understandable and easy for people to ask you questions. We see over and over again that in some law firm intake, they ask questions that actually I don't know how to answer because they're so complicated. And from a legal point of view, it might make sense, but they're not in regular person speak. So you've got to break things down in a way that regular people can understand. Third thing is give people time. Not everyone is able to process what you're telling them and make a decision immediately. And if someone feels overly pushed, they may just go dark on you. This is something that we see, and we advise our law firms to be more gentle and more patient with people, to follow up their conversations and their questions with, do you need anything else? Do you need time to think about this? Give people that time. The fourth thing I would say about intake is to realize the difference in each case type. The way you intake a sexual assault case is entirely different from the way you intake Camp Lejeune, or the way you intake Paraquat, or the way you intake Assure birth control. So manage your intake according to the type of case, and don't think that intake is one size fits all. It's not. Every demographic is different.
How does a law firm's marketing and communication impact intake, for better or for worse?
What I would say to the law firms is you've got to remember that your clients are not legal experts. And you've got to have people who are willing to take the time on the phone with them to explain what is needed, to break it down, and to make it easier. Your job as a law firm is not just to win millions of dollars for your clients. It's also to make it easy for those clients to do what they need to do so that you're successful. If you make it easy for your clients, you're going to have a better outcome yourself. And that's something that we try to help people with. But if the law firms could help lift that load, it would be great.